Hello everyone, and welcome to the first lecture in the series of lectures on design and analysis of algorithms. This series of lectures will focus on people who are preparing for competitive exams like GATE, ISRO and others. This series of lectures will also help someone who is preparing for interview in the domain of research and development. This series of lectures will also help students to score better grades in their design and analysis of algorithm courses. We will start with a quick introduction of what actually is an algorithm. Then we will look at something known as asymptotic notations. We will also look at space and time complexities and how to find space and time complexity of algorithms. We will look how to solve recursive equations. What are the tools that we have to do so? We will look at searching algorithms, sorting algorithms. We will look at spanning trees, shortest paths, and what are the algorithms to compute that. After that, we will look at some design paradigms like brute force approach, divide and conquer approach, greedy approach, and dynamic programming. We will be looking quite a lot of standard examples on these particular topics. At the end, we will be looking at something known as NP theory. NP theory is quite relevant for someone who is going to work in the industry or for someone who is going to pursue research in academia. The good references for this particular course are these. The first one is a book on algorithms by Das Gupta, and a more comprehensive and in-depth book that one can follow is Introduction to Algorithms by Thomas H. Corman. After completing this course, you will have strong foundations in design and analysis of algorithms. Further, if somebody wants to study this subject in future, they can basically look at some topics like linear programming, one can also look at something known as randomized algorithms, and finally, one can look at something which is closely related to NP theory known as approximation algorithms. So we will end this video here, and I will see you in the next video starting with the introduction to algorithms.